What is up, YouTube, and welcome to another crib zone excursion. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, subscribe for more. We got Crypto and we brought him to Candy Cane Lane in Pacific Grove. Pokemon, is that Pokemon? Is that Pokemon? Hey, this way, Crypto, Crypto. Bunch of decorated houses. Let you guys take a look at some. One of the ones on Google or something. There's a lot of cars. Look at this one. This one has a freaking monitor on it. Oh shit, we probably shouldn't be through here. Yeah, it's a Husky.
Pretty.
Wait. Oh, there it is. Welcome to Candy Cane Lane. Let's get a thumbnail of you right here, Crypto. Right here. Right there. Hey. A huge fucking nutcracker. Maybe that could tame my ex. Maybe the huge nutcracker is the only thing able to tame my ex, dude. So I guess that's like the little neighborhood park. Just put a bunch of stuff on it. Crypto on the sleigh. Come on. Huh. Could have sworn it was more lit last year. We've already been through here. Wait, Crypto. Today is actually Christmas Day, I reckon. The 25th. Crypto, no, don't do it. Okay, let's do it. Come on. Let's go. Hey. Come on, dog. Let's go. Right here. Oh my gosh, how are you supposed to go up this? Good boy. ABCs? Some with the ABCs? What the hell are they teaching? Child support or something? Let's go. Probably shouldn't be going this fast, especially at, ow, my face! Especially at night, because I have no idea how this pavement is. Smells like burnt, just like Mexico. Okay, slow down. I do not want to eat shit. Jump. Come on. I'm gonna have to go ahead and say my favorite one is the huge nutcracker one. This one right here is probably mon favorit. Mon favorit est nutcracker. Look at that one, it's just a huge bobblehead of a freaking snowman. What is that, crypto? Oh, it's a fucking pit stop. What is that, crypto? Yeah, that one. Little gingerbread house. What is that, crypto?
Where's my child support, bitch?
Is that surprise child support?
What is that?
The dead end. How fast can crypto run? Candy K-Leg, come on, crypto. Come on, crypto. Oh, look at that one. What is all this, crypto? Oh, you don't give a shit, do you? Good boy. Oh, little rat dog. Okay, good boy. Let's go. We're going eight. That's what you were crying at. Come on. Wait. Oh, look at little, what we used to pull on my ex. I thought all the houses had to be decorated. Gee. Wait. Aww. Like someone. Get in there. Come on, get in there. Dude, look at these loose dogs. Come on, dogs. Hello. Hello. Crypto, be nice, crypto. Who do you guys belong to? Okay, you know what we could do? They don't even have a collar. Hello. Oh, we could grab them. Hey, come here. Good boys. Hello. Okay, we have to save them somehow. Let's see if they let me pick them up. Crypto, no! Don't piss on the damn camera. Over here, dogs. Oh, where are you guys going? Hey! Oh, dude. Look at them. Look at them, no respect. Why are you running? Slow. Come on. Come on, hey. Is that surprise child support?
What is that? What is that?
Feel free to follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat at KZE_production.